how do we buy our eggs? So basically we get it in this kind of paper packing to prevent it from breaking and so on. But this is difficult to recycle because it's not part of the standard paper or cardboard system. So how do you take care of this? The best way to do it is to store it because it's very easy, it's clean, it doesn't get soiled. You just pack it together and keep it in a shelf at home. So what we do is like, just put it together like this for several weeks or months until it really piles up into a big stack like this, and then go to the nearest egg store and give it to him so that he can reuse it. Now in most of these formal stores which you see across the city, they don't have this kind of good packing, so they use plastic, and so you can also offset the use of their plastic. So it's a great way to deal with this. We'll show you when we land up at one of these stores when we're handing it over. So here I am with the egg packing. I've come to one of the local stores where eggs are sold. I'm going to return this cardboard and let's hear from the sales guy here on how it benefits. So भैया ये ले
आप लोग जो अंडा लेते हो तो आप लोग कैरी बैग में नहीं लेने का, इसमें लेने का। कैरी बैग में कचरा नहीं होगा, इसमें कचरा ज़्यादा होगा, कैरी बैग में इसमें नहीं होगा। ये सेफ्टी के लिए अच्छा है, इसमें अंडा भी नहीं फूटेगा। कैरी बैग में अंडा फूटने का चांस रहता है और कैरी बैग में गंदा भी ज़्यादा होता है, रास्ते में इधर उधर पड़ा रहता है कैरी बैग, तो मतलब गंदा ज़्यादा होता है। इसमें गंदा नहीं होगा और इसमें अच्छा रहेगा।
If you like this kind of content, like, share and subscribe.